Hi everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. I've got a new piece from Abbott Lyon that I'm really excited to show you, so if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so full disclosure, I've been sort of lusting over Abbott Lyon pieces for quite a while. I always see them pop up on social media or on other people's feeds and think, oh, I really need to try something from there. It looks really, really good. I just never got round to it. And then anyway, I decided to look a bit more into the brand and I saw that they did a Abbott Lyon Collective program, which is basically them working with creators and influencers just to try their products and give their thoughts and feedback on the items. So I did sign up to join that collective and I did get accepted. So I was able to get a partially gifted piece. I did put the rest of the money towards it myself, and it's something that I've been wanting for a long time, and that is a watch. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I do have an Apple Watch, which I do love. I use it a lot for exercise, so if I'm going for a run or just to track my daily steps and things like that, it is useful, but it's the only watch I have. And sometimes I find that if I'm going somewhere on an evening or to a wedding or something like that where I want to dress up a little bit more, I don't always want to wear my Apple Watch with those kind of outfits. I don't know, it feels like it looks a little out of place, and I do like having a watch on my hand. So I have been in the market for a little bit more of a luxurious looking type watch that I can use just to wear on those dressier occasions. Let's get to it then. I will show you the new watch in my collection. This is the package that it comes in. So it's got the Abbott Lyon logo on there with some gold foil, and then inside just comes with all the care information, how to set it up. I did have to have quite a few links removed, so I think I got 8 taken out, which is quite a lot, but my wrists are very small. So here is the watch with the links taken out. So it is the Belgravia watch, the moon and back face, and it's in the limited edition Aqua colour, which is designed by Stacey Solomon. It's limited edition, but just look at that. I just love that face colour. I was a bit unsure whether to go with it or whether to just get the neutral sort of white pearl colour face, but I love green, I love this aqua colour, and for me I'll just wear it all year round. But I love the two-tone because I like to wear mixed jewellery. I like to wear gold and silver, so I love that this has both tones. And if you can see, it's got a little moon on the face at the top. Absolutely love it. It just looks gorgeous. So I'm going to take off my Apple Watch and just show you how it looks on. Really easy to put on. You just clip it together and that is the perfect length. So there's still a little tiny bit of movement in there for me, so it's not too tight, and that's how it looks on. I'm over the moon with it. I think it looks so nice, and yeah, just perfect for those days when I don't want to wear my Apple Watch. I just want to wear something a bit nicer, and obviously this does give a little nod to Rolex with the gold and the silver, and it's just, yeah, really classy, really nice. Oh, I just love it. And that aqua face just gives a little bit something different as well, so I'm really glad that I went with that. So that's it. That's my new watch. Quite a quick video, but I just wanted to show you all what I got, and now I've just been on the website just looking at what else I can buy, what else I can pick up and sort of try out. There's loads of things. There's necklaces that I love, earrings, rings. I'll leave links down below to my sort of shop front page, just so you can have a little browse and see what you think, and you can get a discount if you use my link as well. So I'll leave all the information down below. If you have any Abbott Lyon pieces, comment them down below. I love to see what else other people are buying and just have a little nosy at some of the other things that they do. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.